Welcome to our Google Classroom tutorial, and this time I'm gonna show you how to add a student and co-teacher to your class. To add a student or co-teacher to your class, we have two ways of adding a student in our class. First way, or the first one, is to go to your stream tab, and looking at your class cover, you have here the so-called class code. Clicking this icon here will expand your class code, and this is now your class code for your learner to join. So how your learner will join using this class code? All you have to do is provide this class code to your learner, and then from your learner's point view, your learner will sign in with google.com. Your learner or student will click the Google Apps icon or command and then select Classroom. And then after that, after selecting Classroom, your student will be brought to Google Classroom dashboard, and your learner must click the plus icon located at the Google Classroom dashboard and then click Join Class. After clicking Join Class, learner should type the class code here and then click Join. So that's one way of inviting students to your classroom. Another way is by going to your People tab and then going to your students, clicking the plus icon, Invite Students, and by typing the email of your learner here or student one by one. After typing the email, select your student from the search result and then click invite. That's it. So once invited, it will give them email and they will be invited to your class. To remove a student, all you have to do is select and then click action, then remove, and then click remove. So that is how you remove student, and that is how you add students. So from the join class command, if the learner will click join, then after a learner joined your class, that particular learner will be displayed in your People tab. So let's reload if we have a learner here or a student in our class. So we have now our student, the one who joined using our class code. And then to add a co-teacher, we just click plus invite teacher and also type the email address of that particular teacher you want to add in your class. Select the teacher and click invite. Now, from the student's view, the student will be able to go to stream, the classwork tab, and the people tab. As you can see, there is no work in the classwork tab in the student's interface because in our class, we have not yet assigned any of the tasks we created. So if you're going to assign one, click edit and then assign this one, click assign. Students will see the assignment in their streams immediately. After clicking assign, on the side of the students, let us refresh. After assigning the assignment, students will now be able to see the assignment in the stream or in the classwork tab, just like the one you showed here. So this is stream. So learners will be updated of the assignment. That's it. And then to the classwork tab, student will be able to view the topic or the assignment. So that is how we assign students to our class, by inviting them and letting them join the class with a class code, or by going to People tab and then typing their emails one by one. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you around our next tutorial.